Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer data from HTC smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So for the first we have to go for the Play Store on the both devices and get application to transfer data. And I can recommend you the application name CLONEit. So let's type it on the search pool and just click install. Do the same on your Note. Now just wait until it finishes download. When you got it, just open. And on the both smartphones you have to accept all of the permissions that you pop-ups. I mean that pop-ups on your screen, not on you. Okay, and let's open Note. Click sender on your HTC. Tap set. Turn on location, go back. Open background apps, go on the left side one more time and then go back to our application, click sender one more time, click resaver on your Note, click search again, and now just wait for the Android share icon right here. Let's tap on it and we have two ways to connect. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually, so we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Okay, we have to wait because the camera is not focusing. Okay, right now it is. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to select all of these icons. And then just click start. And here you got the size of the selected files and also the estimated time. But I'm going to unselect all of these things and I'm going for the details, and I will pick up only the wallpaper because it's only example how we can transfer the data. So the wallpaper is selected, click start, okay, and now it's importing. Okay, it's finished. So right now let's check if our Note changed wallpaper for the same as on the HTC. And as you can see, it is. So that's how we can transfer the data. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.